Welcome back, students. In the past, if you are doing copy paste, I show you the result. I selected all the headings under chapter 1 and chapter 2. You also all the headings, select all the heading of chapter 3, 4 and 5 and paste it here like I do. Okay. After that, a single document sheet. What should I do now? I go to the final sheet and I go to insert, select a blank page first. After that, I write. I do select in reference section and I do manual table selection, right? So here is the manual table selection, but you need to be very careful about giving the number. So here you write chapter number and chapter heading further below. But the most easiest way I adopt is I go to insert, select a table in which I select the 3 rows, right? And 3 columns and number of rows which I required for my data. In this section, I write serial number. After that, here I write table of content and here I write page number. And what should I do? I fold them and 14 size and here I select the write this. I select this table. What should I do? I just go there and select right and but I want these in the center so it is convenient for me to look better shape. After that, what should I do? I select all the things under the shadow from chapter 1 and paste it here. Chapter 1. What is the phenomena of the chapter? What is the name of chapter? I write it here. Okay. After that, what should I do? Chapter 1 I selected and the name of the chapter is Introduction and where it is started from page number 1. Here I write page number 1 in such a way. You write. After that, what should you do? You do for 1.1 next heading, select next heading, statement of the problem, copy and paste it here. Statement of problem like that way 1.2. Second heading is about significance and delimitation and select all, copy here and paste it here. So after that I select limitation, copy, paste, delimitation, copy and paste it here. What should I do now? I delete from here. 1.3, 1.4 and here our chapter 1 completed. What should I do now? I check out the page. After that, I select heading. How many heading? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. I insert right in such a way I blow them 9, 4, 6, 7, 8, and hence it is the last one 9. What should you do? Copy, paste it chapter 2 and the name of chapter. Copy here. Review of related literature. You just select and go to size 14. After that, you select it 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, and 2.6, 2.7, and here is a 2.8. And I select all these options from here, copy that and paste it here. So introduction, copy and paste it here. After that, remove that introduction from here. After that, classification, copy, paste it here. After that, the prevalence, copy, paste it here. Then positive use of internet, copy this thing, paste. Then negative, copy, paste it here. After that, relationship, copy, paste it here. And the second that option we were going to copy, and here you see copy, and after that I select one and other option. So the last one is internet addiction and its effect, and here you see table of content are fully developed in a very good way. And after that I unbold these items also because it's necessary, and all the three things and in 14 time New Roman. So here I develop a good outlook of table. What should I do next? Eyes, check out, right? In such a way you also write, but it is better to turn on left side is better, right? But these things, serial number and page number, you should keep aside in the center, right? Chapter 1, we introduction starting on page number 1. We are given this in page number 1. How do you give the page number of your this? Go to page layout and after that page number. Select the page number, insert page number. Okay. Page numbers. Go to the design and page color, page border, and watermark. So here is insert, go to insert and go to head footer and give the page number. Okay. So in such a way you give the page number. In introduction in chapter page number 1, page number 9. After that statement of problem on page number 11, right? Page number 9, then page number 11. After that page number 13, then 14, and again 14, and here page number 15. Select that page number where it is existed. After that, what you should do, you select copy these things, select whole, and here is borders, and go to open and go to no borders, right? So in that way your table of content develop fully, and you should give it in the left corner like this way. So here you see your table of content develop in an expected way. Write the relevant page number. Here it is on page number 615 also. After that, page number 17, page number 19, page number 21, and here page number 24, 26. After that, page number 27, and here page number 30, and here is the page number of 32. So in such a way you develop table of content. And if you have any problem regarding table of one, you can contact me in comment section. Hope you know how to develop a table of content by yourself without any help. So go to subscribe button and don't forget to like my video and comment. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.